Hi, I'm gonna show you how to use an animation from Unity to be able to export it as an FBX asset. So I will tweak it into Maya and use it and exporting back to use that animation as a cinematic. So I have a scene in here with the pod, which is a mesh render. One thing to consider is that if you're using skin mesh render, you can't export multiple skin mesh render beneath one asset. So if you have, let's say, eyeballs or the object like that, you can't unless it's mesh render. So one skin mesh render at a time. So but in here is just a standard mesh render, so no problem here. I will play the game just a bit, just the end of the race, and record. And I almost forgot to put that into the recorder, which is a tool that you can find in the asset store, the recorder from Unity. Really handy. So as an animation clip in here, and yeah, and it will record into anime recorder that I have here. So I'll start recording. It will play the game, and I'll start playing. So without bumping onto the border. It's just the end of the race. I just want to have some kind of cinematic with some cameras, and at the end the jump and the drift. So I'm pretty close to the jumping and kind of drifting, kind of. Okay, stop recording. I have my new record in here. So I have a prefab of the ship without all the controllers from the gameplay asset. So the last animation in here, I'll drag and drop that. Get rid of this one. Take a look. I'll double check that it's still working. Animation ship 01. You can see first bump and yeah, jump, drift, kind of. That's something that I want to tweak into Maya to have a good drift, and I will use it as a cinematic. Okay, so right click on the ship, export model, animation, animatic, ship cinematic, perfect. So now in Maya, I have the scene. I have the layout of the scene. I just export everything that I had in the Unity scene. So I will import now that ship cinematic. Import animation. Ship cinematic. Okay, let's take a look now. Is it? Yeah, we can see the light of the ship. So, vroom vroom vroom. We'll see the awesome jump and the awesome drift. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will make a simple rig, and I will tweak the animation to have a better looking cinematic. I will get back to you when I'm done.